In this video, I want to talk about how you can move money from your trading tool to invest to your ISA. Now, the way that this works is you want to make sure that they're not in open positions. So if the money is currently in stocks or in anywhere else, you need to sell the positions before you can do this. Now, I just want to warn you guys that you need to do this before you can move the money, because you cannot move stocks. You can only move the cash that you have on your account. So just keep that in mind if you want to do it. Now after that, if you go to their help site, it shows you how you can move funds between the accounts. So you want to head to your account menu, which is this button, or here on the PC. And then you want to select manage funds, move funds, and then you can select the accounts that you want to move it between. So that is basically how that works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.